everyone, my name is Aryan and welcome back to Inside Out. Today I'm going to do a video about angles. So let's get started. Today I'm going to talk about all about angles. So first we're going to talk about what is an angle. An angle looks like something like this. Do you see this black line? So in an angle, this line, this you'll see this black line right here. This line will always be straight, and then from the here we call this a vertex. From the vertex, it's gonna go to this black line, but we don't call these black lines black lines. They're actually called angle arms, because because in the question, what's an angle? And these are like your arms. Like with your arms, you can do like this. You can make like a greater or less than symbol. So they're like angle arms. And then this angle arm here. But then you'll see this giant round thingy with a bunch of lines and numbers on it. This is actually called a protractor, which is used to like measure the angle. And are you wondering how to measure angle? Well, let me show you. First, here there will be a black line and a line here with a circle there. And in the circle, you have to match the vertex. And the black line should be on the angle. And then this line will be pointing at a number. So let's see. This one looks like it's 100, 150. Let's see. Sometimes they're pretty tricky to measure. So let's say about 158 degrees. So if you don't know what degrees is, I'll teach you in a minute. Degrees is like how should I explain it? So here you have a full circle right here. So it can be in any of these numbers. You see? And if it's beyond this black line, then you count the top numbers. Here. So you keep counting the black ones. So that's what is an angle. So you're trying to find out the measure of it. Then here are some different types of angles. This angle is called a acute angle because it is less than 90 degrees and more than 0. So 0 degrees is just nothing. And then 90 degrees is I'll show you what 90 degrees is in the next one. So here you have a acute angle. It's just like this one that we saw here. So this is actually a acute angle. They're the same, but this one's just a bit bigger. So this is a right angle and always has to be 90 degrees. It can't be 91 or 89. It has to be 90 degrees, which is straight, like a half of a cube. So you see, it cannot be just straight here. So if I show you here, if you made this line straight, this would be a 90 degrees here. These two, see? But this one is going here. So you still have some space over here. So this space is the empty space, but here, this is a acute angle. My mouse is very bad. So this is an acute angle. So that's basically what that is. So if we go back, my slide's not working. Next, okay, yeah, there. This is a right angle. We learned that it can only be straight, like a straight line. It cannot be just like a bit sideways or a bit sideways. It has to be straight. That's a 90-degree angle, and always this line will always stay straight. And now let's go to the next side. This is called a obtuse angle. It is always more than 90 degrees, and as we learned, 90 degrees is just a straight line. And obtuse, look at it. It is way more than 90 degrees. Here, this is how much it is. It's very obtuse. So it's greater than 90 degrees, but it has to be less than 180 degrees. At 180 degrees, I'll show you now what 180 degrees is. 180 degrees. Everybody should know this. 180 degrees is just a straight line. See? It's just a straight line. And we call this a straight angle because it's literally just straight, it's flat. And there are no spaces apart. So that's a straight angle. Now let's get to a tricky one. So here, this is called a reflex angle. It is always above 180 degrees. Here, this is 180 degrees, and below 360. And do you know what 360 degrees looks like? 360 degrees is like, if you say, take a circle. This is like 360 degrees. So 360 degrees is like, here's a straight angle. Well, let me try this a better way. Example. Okay, so this is a acute angle, as you can see. Here is another one. This is an obtuse angle, right? Here's an obtuse angle. This is a straight angle. And this is a reflex angle. So if you could see, all angles from, let's say 1 is acute, 2 is obtuse, 3 is straight angle, and 4 is reflex angle. So you can see they all have a straight line that you can for sure see. And then we see first this goes from smaller a bit, and then this one gets a bit bigger, and then it gets flat, and it goes more. And if you keep doing that, it'll become a perfect circle. So a circle is 360 degrees. So this circle could become all of these combined. And this is a degree symbol. If you don't know, do you see here that little green dot? That's a degree symbol. That means like instead of writing degree, it's gonna like take forever if you don't know how to spell it. You just write a degree symbol. Like it's just a small little circle. I write, let's see, 184 degrees. It could be any, and then I have to write degrees. Oh, I don't know how to spell degrees. So then you just do 184 degrees. You just put a dot right there. So that's what a reflex angle is. But how to measure it? Measuring a reflex angle is kind of hard. So first, this may sound a bit tricky, but let's go back to the protractor on that other screen. Wrong slide. Here, what is the angle here? So a reflex angle is just, if we remembered, it is just like a straight line and a drop down. But that's beyond the reflex angle. So we have to put the protractor a bit on an angle. So then this would be straight. So then we can whatever angle you get, you would have to subtract it with 360. Go back here. So whatever angle you get from this, you have to then subtract it by 360. Then you'll get the exact angle because reflex is more than 180 degrees, so that won't be on a protractor, so you have to take the protractor and tilt it to the side. So then you can actually find out the measure and then subtract it by 360 degrees. Then you'll get your angle for the reflex angle. Thanks for watching my video, and if you liked it, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel down below. Bye for now. Inside Out, signing off. Found a lollipop. Looks like a maple lollipop. Oh wait, the plastic's still on this. Who cares? Still tastes pretty good. I guess I'll just eat it with the plastic on.